Hello, today we are in Davenport, Florida at the Forest Lake community by Casa Fresca. This is the Valeria floor plan, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2-car garage and 1,800 square footage. On this side of the home, you have 1 bedroom, the laundry area, and your access to your garage. On the right-hand side, you have 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. I post weekly videos with home tours and tips for home buyers. As we continue the tour, we get to the open concept living area, which includes the living area, kitchen, and dining room combo. Moving on to the master bedroom, which is a private retreat for the owners. It includes the master bath and the master closet. What I'm really enjoying is all the natural light that is coming from the outside, even when it was cloudy today. Let me know in the comments what you like so far about this house. So outside you get your covered lanai, which is great to enjoy the weather and relax. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you on the next one.